God spared me, my life, my family, my property. Nanggaling po ako kagabi sa prayer intercessory night ng Jesus is Lord Church, Abu Dhabi. Nung nadatnan ko ay dalawang parking na lang, tinili ko yung kanan. Kinabukasan, nang ihatid ko yung mga bata sa paralan, at nakita po namin ang isang puno na natumba doon sa kabilang car, katabi ng aking sasakyan. At naalala ko bigla ang sinasabi ng pastor na ipag-pray natin ang ating mga family. So I really prayed for my family for protection, and true enough, Christ is the answer. I'm Dino Fuentes, an OFW from GIL, Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. Christ is the answer. And I'm inviting everyone to attend the Jesus Lord Church 46th anniversary on October 12, 3 p.m. at Unita Grandstand, Philippines. See you there. God bless you.